Hello students, how are you all? I think all of you are safe and fine in your home and studying SST very nicely. In the last class of geography we had completed the lesson Motions of the Earth. Let us learn about a new lesson. The name of the lesson is Major Domains of the Earth. Dear students, all of you know that Earth is divided into four spheres: lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, and atmosphere. Let us learn about them one after another. Lithosphere. Outer solid surface of the Earth is termed as lithosphere. It includes mountains, hills, plateaus, deserts, plains, and islands. Hydrosphere. Oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, streams, etc. collectively form the hydrosphere. Biosphere. Biosphere is the zone where land, water, air, and all forms of life are found. It includes all types of organisms living on the earth. Atmosphere. The atmosphere of the earth refers to the layer of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, argon, etc., commonly known as air, surrounding the planet Earth. Students, let us learn the another part of the lesson, continents of the world. The 7 continents of the world are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. Let us learn about the oceans of the world. The 5 oceans of the world are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean or Southern Ocean. Let us learn about Asia. The Asia is the largest continent of the world. It covers about 1/3 of total land area of the earth. There are 48 countries in Asia, including India. Russia is the biggest country. Moscow is the capital of Russia. The Republic country of Maldives is the smallest country. Male is the capital of Maldives. Asia lies in the eastern hemisphere. Asia is separated from Europe by the Ural mountain in the west. Europe. Europe is the second smallest continent of the world. There are 44 countries in Europe. Europe is located in the northern hemisphere. Europe is surrounded by 3 side water bodies. The Atlantic Ocean in the west, the Arctic Ocean in the north, the Mediterranean Sea on the south. Europe is separated from Asia by the Ural mountain in the east. Africa. Africa is the second largest continent of the world. There are 55 countries in Africa. Algeria is the biggest country in Africa. The smallest country is Seychelles. The major rivers of Africa are the Nile, Niger, Congo, Zambezi, Limpopo, etc. The Nile is the longest river in Africa, in the world, and in the world. The Africa is surrounded by water bodies from all the sides. The Mediterranean Sea in the north, the Red Sea in the northeast, the Indian Ocean in the east, and Atlantic Ocean in the west. The largest hot desert of the world, the Sahara, is situated in Africa. So up to this, we will continue the lesson, learning about the other continents and oceans of the world. I am giving some homework to you. So think about the questions and try to find out the answers. Can life exist on the earth without the domains of the earth? Why? The earth is called as blue planet. Why? Which hemisphere is called the land hemisphere? Why is it called so? Which is the biggest and smallest country in Europe? Try to find out the answer with their capitals. Are all the continents connected with each other? If yes, name them. And last but not the least, the question is, name the water bodies surrounded Asia. Try to find out the answers of the oceans and write in your geography copy. Students, be safe in your home because the crisis period is increasing. The coronavirus is disturbing, as well as many people are dying due to coronavirus. So be safe in your home. Unnecessary, don't come out from your house. Well, study well, SST. So up to this, we will meet again in the next geography class with the other parts of the other continents of the world and oceans. So up to this, goodbye everyone.